Hey, it's Rob with practicalsurvivor.com. Today we want to talk a little bit about a primitive fire starting method called the hand drill. You've seen us do the bow drill, you've seen us do other fire starting methods like the magnesium block, and we decided that our next challenge was going to be to do the hand drill. So we picked up a little bit of that while we were out in Arizona with John Campbell and the Arizona Bushmen. Then we continued to practice. We worked on it some more while we were down in Wyoming with Dirt Time guys. So it's sort of similar to the bow drill method in the sense that you've got some of the same pieces. But let's go ahead and talk about what it takes to be able to start a fire with the hand drill. Let's talk about the baseboard. The baseboard needs to be made out of a soft wood. We're talking about wood density around aspen, cedar, willow. Those all make really good boards. Tall, of course, is great if you're out towards the southwest. We want wood that has been dried out, seasoned, and once we have that wood ready, then we're just going to baton the wood into baseboards of about 1/4 inch in thickness. Once you have a baseboard, you're going to need a spindle. So picking out your spindle is really important. Your spindle needs to be a fairly straight shaft, around 1/4 inch. Some people prefer thicker drills. Some prefer it smaller. They can get more speed from it. This tends to be somewhere in the middle. It's not going to drill through your baseboard too fast, and it won't be so large that it'll be harder to create friction with it. This one right here is seat willow. This is elderberry, and this is mullein. We've been able to start a fire with all three of these. My latest experiment was with mullein and willow, black willow to be specific. There are different positions or stances that you can use to do the hand drill. Some people prefer more of a sitting position, cross-legged. Some people prefer more of a kneel position, such as the bow drill or the short stance. We found that the short stance gives us the ability to put more pressure on the tip of the drill and helps us create a coal faster. If you'd like more information, you can go to practicalsurvivor.com for a detailed article. Thanks for watching. I want to give a special thanks to Mike Fuller at Tops Knives. We appreciate the support. I also want to thank John Campbell, Alan Halcon, and John McPherson. It was because of each one of you guys that I learned something different and I was able to learn the hand drill. Thank you.